My topic is SWOT analysis. So basically, SWOT analysis stands for S for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, T for threats. The meaning of SWOT analysis is a framework of identifying and analyzing an organization's strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Goal of SWOT analysis is to increase awareness of the factors that go into making a business decision or establishing a business strategy. So, the main work of SWOT analysis is to help the companies by taking a SWOT test of them, in which the main factors are strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. Strength describe what an organization excels at and what separate it from the competition. Means what is the main strength of a particular company or a particular business, what makes them different from the other business or other companies in that field. This is what strength stands for. The good things of strength means like having a strong base, loyal customers, basically mostly local customers, cause local customers are the most loyal one to their favorite company, and having a strong balance sheet and unique technology. You have to give a unique technology to the customer so they get attract towards your business or towards your company, so they can buy your products or anything you do. Next is weakness. Weakness stop an organization from performing at its optimum levels. There are areas where the business needs to improve to remain competitive. Weakness stands for a particular place where the business should be improved so that it can remain in the field. It can be competitive. The weakness of any brand is that downfall of their shares or not selling the products as much as they do before. The third is opportunities. Opportunities refer to favorable external factors that could give an organization a competitive advantage. So opportunities refer to a favorable external opportunity, means having a nice opportunity. It can help the business or whatever you are doing. It can help it to increase more in that field or market. And the last is threats. Threats refer to factors that have the potential to harm an organization. Means like if there is a wheat producing company, the threat for its threat, like if any threat came, it will be a big threat for that company because their all crops will get ruined. So basically, threats mean any big natural disaster or any big downfall in the company. Last is understanding SWOT analysis in short. SWOT analysis is a technique for assessing the performance, competition, risk and potential of a business as well as a part of a business such as product line or division, an industry or other entity. The main work of SWOT is to test that the company is performing on the right basis. The company have the potential to compete other companies, and their product is going on the right line. They are selling it on a nice price. They are not harming their customers.